Good morning, friends. It is 10 a.m. right now, and we are starting the treks towards the Khaddum Waterfall and the Chympe Cave here in Brichyrnot village, East Jaintia Hills district. Brichyrnot village is around 40 kilometers from Clariot and about 130 kilometers from capital city Shillong of Meghalaya. It is a very hot and sunny day today.
You guys also vlogging? Vlogging what? Where's Dr. Akash?
We hope to reach the waterfall in 2 hours time. We took a detour from the off-road track and reached this spot here where we rested for a while. We trekked down for a while and then we reached the spot where the Lukha River footbridge can be seen from here.
Oh guys, see, this is the Lukha River. After walking for almost 1 hour down, we reached this part.
There are dense forests all around and we are experiencing the heat as the day progresses. This footbridge is the only means of communication for the villagers of Khaddum village during the monsoon season. We trek up through many peculiar limestone rock formation along the way. There are two paths which you can take to reach the waterfall. This path is the one going through Khaddum village. It is longer, but it is easier to trek. We take this road as we plan to buy some water in the village.
Yeah. Ini sudah like ukur telang sih, through the river.
We now trek upward again through this off-road path. People who prefer to not walk can hire four-wheel drive vehicles till the entrance of the waterfall itself through this road. This is one example of mountain rice paddy field. There are very tall mountains on the eastern side of our trek. These mountains falls under the Narpu Reserve Forest area of Meghalaya. We then rested here for a while to rehydrate ourselves. We are now approaching the entrance of the waterfall, which is very close by to the road.
We are going down now after walking for more than 2.5 hours. You can see the waterfall from here. It's white.
We enjoy our lunch in the river itself. We clean up and leave no trash behind. We hope that the pristine river is left unspoiled and beautiful as it is. We then trek upward the waterfall through this treacherous terrain to reach the Chympe cave, which is very close by. But the view and the experience is worth it. Going back through the same path where we came from took us another 2 hours to reach our parking area in Brichyrnot village.